Lloyd Estates is a well-established neighborhood attracting diverse residents because of competitive prices in a beautiful, friendly, and clean community. This unique lot is almost 10,000 square feet with a feature which I'll share at the end. 2 matching coach lights are outside the 2-car garage. Upgraded barrel tile roof was installed in 2013. The gutter system is a $4,000 upgrade. The mature landscaping create a cool canopy. The home is secure with floodlights, alarm system, and cameras. The tiled walkway leads to the glass front entry. Notice the extra large windows, all impact. The living room is bright with large glass panels, ceiling fans in every room. The open layout is simply smart, with the kitchen at the heart of the home. Notice the countertop can accommodate stools on 2 sides, making the space functional and inviting. Everything is updated, from the modern backsplash, the stone countertops, the hood over the range. The upper wood cabinets feature glass for an upscale look. You have stainless steel appliances, the slide-in stove, and you'll notice the water service. The tile inlay is very, very nice, and you'll see that the refrigerator side by side there is an ice maker. Microwave, dual sinks, and a dishwasher. And on the other end, you have the living family area, those big bright windows. The porcelain tile was installed diagonally with 0 grout lines for a polished look. It flows seamlessly throughout the home. The luxurious primary suite is located in a corner, and it has 3 large windows, a spacious sitting area, a walk-in closet, and a private bathroom. All windows have a beautiful view of the gardens, and as you can see, fans in every room. The bathroom has been totally remodeled with decorative tile inlays, custom lighting, a stunning Murano glass vanity, and quality cabinetry. The tile in the shower was taken all the way up to the ceiling. Very spacious primary suite. On the opposite side, you will find 2 other bedrooms that are located each in a corner, and they are along this privacy hallway. That is a linen closet. They share a bathroom which is very spacious. It has a large window, and again the Murano glass with quality cabinetry. The tile continues in the bathrooms as well. And look how spacious it is. There's just lots of room. You don't feel cramped. And you have a beautiful spa tub with the jets. Notice the door also is glass. And again, lots of space. This bedroom, located in a corner, has those 2 large windows. The fan, a very deep reach-in closet. All the doors are new and upgraded. none of the artwork on the walls is included in the sale. On the other side of the hallway is the third bedroom, again located in a corner, so it has the benefit of two large windows overlooking the beautiful gardens. This one also has a fan and a built-in closet. This hallway looks out into the kitchen family living area, and the laundry area is located inside the two-car garage with a Maytag and Whirlpool full-size, and here at the end we have a door, but please do not exit through this door. Walk outside so that you can see the back. In the rear, you'll notice more coach lighting, this paver deck, and look at this beautiful mature tree. See if you can count how many fruit trees and how many kinds of palm trees there are in this luscious landscape. The property is completely fenced, and look, I promised I was going to show you this special feature. It backs onto the street, so you do not have a neighbor on the back. There's plenty of room for multiple grills, tables, a big pool, an extension on the home, RV, a boat, anything that you can imagine. Absolutely the best buy.